Diving into the world of graphic design is exciting, but knowing how to start a graphic design studio can transform your passion into a thriving business. This video will walk you through each step, ensuring you're well prepared to launch and grow your own studio. From finding your first clients to managing finances, let's get your creative venture off the ground. So, are you ready to turn your business idea into a reality? Well, the first step is to register an LLC. And the easiest way to do that is with Taylor Brands. Click the link in the description of this video and start your LLC today. Plus, if you use my link, you're going to get a free business plan. And without further ado, let's get started. Securing your first clients. The most crucial step in starting your graphic design studio is securing your first clients. While it's tempting to focus on perfecting your portfolio, choosing a business name, or obtaining a business license, these tasks can sometimes delay the real work of engaging with clients. Many designers get bogged down in these preliminary steps and burn out before they even start working on actual projects. So the first goal is to find graphic design clients. You might wonder where to start. Fortunately, finding clients has never been easier, thanks to numerous freelance job sites. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork offer a vast marketplace where you can connect with potential clients. Fiverr is excellent for beginners, providing a platform to gain experience, build your portfolio, and earn some initial income. Similarly, Upwork is a popular freelance marketplace where you can access thousands of graphic design jobs. Now, in the early stages, it's essential not to be too selective. Accepting reasonable projects can help you build confidence, gain valuable experience, and potentially develop long-term client relationships. Over time, you can refine your client roster, but for now, focus on getting your graphic design business off the ground. Setting your pricing structure. Once you've secured a few clients, the next step is to determine your pricing structure. You can choose to bill clients hourly, per project, or based on the value you provide. For those just starting, hourly rates are straightforward and commonly used. As you gain more experience and confidence, you might consider switching to project-based or value-based pricing. Figuring out what to charge can be daunting. Start with a reasonable rate and adjust based on client feedback and market demand. For instance, if clients readily agree to your rate without negotiation, it might be a sign to increase your prices for future projects. Regularly reassessing your rates is crucial as you grow your reputation and skills. Naming your graphic design business. With a few clients under your belt, it's time to establish your business's identity by choosing a name. Your business name should capture your brand's essence and be simple to remember, pronounce, and spell. Whether you decide to use your own name or create a unique business name, make sure it's something you like and that aligns with your business vision. Before settling on a name, check its availability online. Ensure that the domain name and social media handles are available to avoid any future complications. The name you choose can impact various aspects of your business, including your ability to command higher rates, how easily people remember your brand, and the types of projects you attract. Building a basic website. A professional website is essential for showcasing your portfolio and attracting clients. Start with a minimum viable portfolio website to get your business online quickly. There are many easy-to-use and affordable website builders available, such as Wix or WordPress. Wix offers user-friendly drag-and-drop functionality with numerous templates. WordPress, while requiring a bit more technical know-how, provides greater flexibility and customization options. Remember, your goal is to have a functional website that clearly showcases your work and makes it easy for clients to contact you. Now, as your business grows, you can always revisit and optimize your website to attract more clients. Developing a business plan. Now that you have clients, a business name, and a basic website, it's time to think strategically about your business's future. Developing a simple business plan will provide a roadmap to help you stay on track. Your business plan doesn't need to be overly complex. Even a one-page plan can be effective. In your business plan, outline the services you'll provide, your target clients, pricing, revenue goals, and client acquisition strategies. Answering key questions like what services you will offer, who your ideal clients are, and how you will find new clients will help you maintain traction and gain momentum. Communicating with clients. Effective communication is crucial for building strong client relationships. As a business owner, you'll need to wear many hats, including bookkeeper, marketing manager, and account manager. Keeping your lines of communication open is essential for nurturing leads and maintaining good client relationships. Use various methods to stay in touch with your clients, such as phone calls, emails, social media, and webinars. Consider setting up a business email and a toll-free number to present a professional image. Addressing client concerns promptly and positively is key to good customer service. If you find managing client communication overwhelming, consider using a customer relationship management, a CRM, tool to keep track of interactions and ensure you provide excellent service. Delivering high-quality projects on time. Delivering high-quality work on time is critical to building a positive reputation. Failing to meet deadlines or delivering subpar work can quickly damage your business. Use project management tools to stay organized and ensure you meet your deadlines. This is especially important in the early stages of your business, as a few bad reviews can significantly impact your growth. Consistently delivering quality work will help you build a loyal client base and generate positive word-of-mouth referrals, which are invaluable for growing your business. Writing professional invoices and collecting payments. Once you've completed a project, sending a professional invoice promptly is essential for getting paid on time. Using invoicing tools can save you time and make the process more efficient, allowing clients to pay directly from the invoice and sending automatic reminders if a payment is overdue. Normalizing the payment process and making it easy for clients can significantly improve your cash flow. Online payment tools that facilitate direct bank transfers simplify transactions, ensuring timely payments and reducing the risk of disputes. Asking for client referrals. Referrals are one of the most effective ways to grow your business. Satisfied clients are often happy to recommend your services to others. Don't hesitate to ask your clients for referrals, as this can help you build a steady stream of new clients. Practice asking for referrals throughout your process in a way that feels natural and not pushy. The importance of forming an LLC. When starting a graphic design studio, one of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing the right business structure. Forming a limited liability company, an LLC, is often the best option for new business owners. An LLC provides personal liability protection, meaning your personal assets are protected if your business faces legal or financial issues. Additionally, an LLC offers flexibility in how you're taxed, allowing you to choose between being taxed as a corporation or a pass-through entity. Registering your business as an LLC can also enhance your credibility with clients and provide a professional image. To form an LLC, you'll need to file the necessary paperwork with your state's Secretary of State office and pay any associated fees. This process is relatively straightforward and can provide significant benefits for your business in the long run. So, starting a graphic design studio requires more than just creative skills. It demands strategic planning and effective execution. By following these steps, you can establish a solid foundation for your studio, attract clients, and grow your business. Remember, the key to success is to stay focused, deliver quality work, and continuously seek opportunities to improve and expand your services. So, are you ready to turn your business idea into a reality? Well, the first step is to register an LLC. And the easiest way to do that is with Taylor Brands. Click the link in the description of this video and start your LLC today. Plus, if you use my link, you're going to get a free business plan. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Till next time.